Hi, we've just released a new version of DayBack, and I want to show you a few of the new things that were added. This build includes some new features and a number of bug fixes around edge cases, and then some scripting, preparing the way for what's coming next in DayBack, which is running all this in a browser. So I think the first of the new things is over here on Calendar Developer under the hood, and that's the ability to start the week on a different day. So I can pick Tuesday here, let's keep it a 12-hour time, then click Load Settings to apply that. And then if you come back to the calendar, you'll see that now we're starting everything on Tuesday. You can also set this with a script, of course. You'll see it's starting on Tuesday here, here, and then when we click on an event, it's starting on, whoop, that's the day it's on. It's starting on Tuesday here, which is great. So I'm just going to put that back. The other place to change that, of course, is on the home screen. I'm just going to switch that back to Sunday. Hit Load Settings and go back to the calendar. The other thing that's new is we've always had this list of sample contacts and sample projects. And what that's used for is this here, the ability to link a contact to an event. So if I type in BRI, you can see we scroll through the list here, and now I've linked that contact with this event, which is cool, and that's coming from over here on this list of contacts and projects. So we've always had this, but what's new is that we've added this little button here, and this is a script that you can use in your own solutions to go from an event outside the calendar, such as from this portal, to that event inside the calendar. And you can see when I click on that, we're going to move over to the calendar, and it also works from the project. So if I jump over to this project, I can click on this event here, and we'll go over to the calendar and scroll and do whatever we need to do to show that event in the calendar. So I'm just going to jump over one more time. So that's a script that you can use. If I put on a script debugger, you'll see if we click on it, it's just show event details on calendar, and you can grab this button here to paste that into your own solution and see how it works. So I think that's pretty cool. The other changes are pretty minor. We created the ability to let this section scroll here in case you have a ton of sources. Same thing here, if you have a ton of filters, this will scroll a little bit better. We did a lot of work kind of improving the behavior in here around scrolling and dragging on iPad. I hope you'll like that. And so here's how you can find out if you have the latest version and how to get the latest version. Just head over to Settings and click on Account Settings, and you'll see this Check for Updates section down here. Just check that, and it'll let you know if you're running the latest version. If you're not, there'll be some instructions about what to do. But please remember that there are some FileMaker changes you need to make in this update. Namely pasting in a couple of new scripts and then modifying a few existing scripts. And you'll find that here in our on DayBack's documentation under version history. If you just click version history, you'll see a list of what we changed. Here's the new stuff and the bug fixes, and then some instructions for how to make these changes in your copy. So I hope you'll check that out and download the latest version. Thanks.